Reason behind is it gives so many flowers every day, and it's a sunlight lover plant. Keep it in the full sunlight in the summer season. If you keep it in the shade, then it will stop giving flowers. Now you can see that I have trimmed the extended branches and the plant is giving a very fine look. Next thing which is very important, that after cutting down the branches, what you should do, try to remove the leaves from the bottom side. Just like I'm showing you, there are some branches which having the leaves at the bottom, so I am removing the leaves one by one of each and every branch, because at bottom this part you will fix up in the soil as cutting, so it becomes necessary to remove the leaves of every cutting, whether it's of purslane or of hibiscus or of any other plant like moss rose I'm talking about. So try to remove the leaves at the bottom. At least you can fix up 2 inches deep in the soil. And the next step, which is very important, after removing the leaves, try to collect all these branches and make a clutch of these branches. And after that, with the help of any thread, you just tie all these branches into the single one. This will actually help you when you will fix up all these cuttings in the soil. Otherwise you have to dig different holes in the soil for fixing each and every cutting. This method is so easy. Tie a thread around 4 or 5 branches of purslane flower, just like I'm doing in the video, and make a clutch, and after that it will save your time in fixing up the cuttings, because you need to dig one hole which should be deep and it should not be narrow. So this point is very important while fixing up all these cuttings, because I have tied thread around it, so it needs space. So this point is very important. When you are digging the hole in the soil, the hole should not be narrow. And after this, just put it down all these cuttings inside the soil, and even with the thread, just like I am showing you in this video. The hole is already so wide, and I am fixing all these cutting in one go in this hole. So this method actually is very common. I just wanted to share it with you because it will really save your time if you follow this method. Because purslane is such a plant which automatically gets adjusted with the temperature and with the nature. So now you can see I have fixed up all the cuttings in one go, and now the poly bag is ready with all these cuttings, and I'm showing you the thread. This is a very good way by which you can have backup of your plant. Rather, I would suggest you should have backup of your each and every plant, because we are not certain about the health of every plant, that it will bloom up or it will be continued giving flower in the next season. Thank you.